come up and share with me, that'd be awesome. That's going to be 18 and up, and they're looking at $20 a team, double elimination, winner take all at the end. And I think 8 teams max is what they were looking for. So 3-on-3 basketball tournament tomorrow after the powwow. More info to come for all you hoopers. There's also a John Family Breakfast fundraiser. They said everybody is welcome. Sunday, tomorrow, the 20th, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. when food runs out. Connie Two Crows house. There's an address, but if you would like a flyer or take a peek at it, you can come up here. That's tomorrow, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. John Family Breakfast fundraiser. Is to help support Shawnee, John, and kids while they mourn the recent loss of beloved husband and father. So, requesting an $8 minimum, but anything is, of course, greatly appreciated. So singers, we're about 30 seconds out from roll call. So dancers, you should be getting ready. Singers are here. Get ready for grand entry. Veterans, we're about 15 minutes out. It is 6:45. So here we go. We're gonna start with Sny Creek. One time through on our roll call here. Gentlemen, whenever you're ready, Sny Creek, roll call. Sny Creek, Southern Straight, one time through. one time through, boys. And Black Elk, we're gonna come to you, boys. And there are your drums, ladies and gentlemen. And our host drum for this weekend is Black Otter. So we're just a few more minutes out. Dancers, start making your way over. Line up for grand entry.
All right. That was drum roll call here. Boy, it sounded good from where I was walking up here. Man, I had about an hour's sleep. I had a 16-hour drive. I came all the way from Oklahoma, and on the way up, boy, how do you hit a lot of traffic, and then over here at this area in Sutton's Bay here at the Grand Traverse Band of Ottawa, Chippewa, a few years ago, about 10 years ago, I lived over here, and I had the opportunity of meeting a lot of relatives here from this area, and I began to, we had teachings that we taught to the younger children over here in this area, in this community, and there's a lot of relatives I haven't seen since that time, and even some relatives that I don't even know if I should remember. Sometimes, you know, when you ask about a person, they might not be there, and so. But anyway, it's good to see my relatives here in this area, and good to be back over here to Suttons Bay and Pashabi Town. And so I'm looking forward to having a good weekend. And how many relatives are from Suttons Bay area, Traverse City, out there in the audience? Holler. Can you guys know how to holler? All right, let's hear it. Traverse City. Man, some beautiful people out there. If I knew that a long time ago, I'd have set up a kissing booth over here at the powwow. I'd have charged half price. Calling the flag bearers and the Eagle staff carriers, if you'd make your way on over here towards the Grand Entry area. Are we going to do the invocation before the everything? After? Okay. Calling the veterans and flag carriers, if you'd make your way on over here. Our head veteran here, Mr. Walker Stonefish, is waiting on you here so we can get our Grand Entry situated and going here. Ladies and gentlemen, Grand Entry is where all the beautiful pageantry unfolds right before your eyes. And you see the beautiful colors and all the design and the different nationalities of tribal people that we have here come to be at this celebration, to have a good time and to celebrate the circle of life here. Our folks, our people from all different nations, we have different areas and we have different places that we come from. And when we go to a celebration, we always have a host tribe, and the band of Chippewa, Ottawa Chippewa people are putting this celebration on here this weekend and invited all the relatives from different nations to come over here and to be a part of and to celebrate the hoop of life and everything that we have inside of it. So we're calling all the veterans and all the flag carriers, if you'd make your way on over here to the Grand Entry area. A lot of our celebrations that we have, there's different tribes that come, and they come together throughout the weekend or somewheres. They have a lot of different sacred celebrations that go on in different parts of our Indian country. And when we're called together, there's always those that carry the staff, and up here around the Anishinaabe people, they have the giving of tobacco for prayer or giving tobacco for whoever they're going to call upon. And this weekend, they called upon Walker Stonefish, a United States Marine Corps veteran here that has been put in charge of the head veterans and also the organizer of getting the flag bearers and the flag keepers to bring in the colors here, the great colors of our nation. The eagle staffs that you see here that are adorned with the eagle feathers and also the eagle heads. These are our brothers here of the great sky. We also use them at different ceremonies, celebrations, recognizing different councils, different ones that made themselves their way inside of this arena. Some of them are veterans, some of them come from traditional line of chieftainship or great people, and they've been asked to carry in these colors and to bring them in here this weekend. So a lot of my relatives that are here at the celebration for the first time, we welcome you here to Pashabi Town, to the great band of Ottawa Chippewa people. Here we gather every year about this time. This time of the year, most celebrations, all celebrations are coming to the closing of a year of the powwow season. And then we go into the fall season, and then also our round dances and different celebrations and ceremonies start up at that time. And so today is a good day to come celebrate here, to enjoy, walk around, see some arts and craft, have some good Indian cuisine, also find some wonderful beadwork or quill work or some kind of a beautiful handmade Indian articles, native articles. So we invite you here this weekend to enjoy a good time with us. Also, our host drum here comes all the way from the province of Canada, Alberta, in that area. And then also they brought Bruce along with them. Oh boy, it's good to see Black Otter here, way over here in the homelands of the band of Ottawa Chippewa people.
Come out a little bit. Come out here. Up here. Yeah. I'm going to talk to everybody here. Yeah. Up here, next to him, please. Thank you. Okay, well, you were on the inside, I believe, last time. You were on the inside.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, carrying in one of our Eagle staffs here is the tribal chairman here of the Grand Traverse Band of Ottawa Chippewa here. And he'll be bringing in the staff along with some of the other, as we announced them here. We're going to get them all lined up here. Our head veterans lining them up at this time.
Okay, thank you for being here again.
Also, our head dancers, those that have been chosen
Grand entry, same way.
here this evening.
Line up like that, facing there.
Lauren Oakes, head lady dancer, and then also Shawana Smith,
Go away.
Shawan Smith,
We're gonna line up the
hit
same way like they do
dancer
in
here.
Mexico.
So they'll be leading us in here at the grand entry. Calling all the dancers, if you'd make your way on over here towards the grand entry area. Calling all the dancers
Jerry will
here.
be on this side, we're gonna face like this. Jerry will be over there. You over there, you over there.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our second grand entry of the evening in the celebration here. We go right down here to our host drum.
Close it up again, face the middle.
Oh,
But if we can get around there on that veteran song a little faster because there's only a couple of drums.
Schnei Creek.
So we don't want them to sing 20
You'll have the first grand entry
Thanks again for
song,
being here.
boys.
Appreciate
Take it
your help.
away. Grand
Here we go.
entry time. Welcome here this evening, ladies and gentlemen, our veterans, carrying our colors. Been given the right to represent their power, their home celebrations, their tribal people. Ladies and gentlemen, our royalty. Let's give them a round of applause here as they come into the arena. Our Golden Age men dancers coming into the arena. These are the grandpas here of this arena. Let's give them a round of applause here. Golden Age coming in. Also, we have our Golden Age women coming into the arena. These are our teachers, the keepers, our grandmothers here. Let's give them a round of applause here as they come into the arena. Golden Age. standing by. Brave Scout, he's standing by. Ladies and gentlemen, our teen boys and junior boys coming into the arena here. No mid categories, eh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, and coming into the arena, our teen categories, junior categories coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, our future is coming in. These are our Tiny Tots and also junior divisions. These guys are the future leaders of our nation. Come here to visit us here this weekend. Beautiful dancers here. All right, all of our dancers have made it to the arena. Let's give them a round of applause. Put your hands together. Thank you there, Brave Scouts. Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Saturday Night Live grand entry here. At this time, I've been given some tobacco earlier here to say a prayer for our people and all the dancers and all of our relatives here in this area. Once again, I'd like to say I'm glad I could make it back over here to this area to see all the relatives and still see the circle of life going here. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, if you would remove your head covers and pray along with me as I pray for our relatives and everybody here for a safe travel here and also a safe return home. So with that, I'm going to say this prayer in my tribal language here. Hansume kotomba to apachakuna misutai. Asuna sa anasuka ta apanarami. Namisutai. Soko we takima kamasutai etana ohoyab na outavich na takuna no karoi. Sako kima kamasutai. Eva ai soko vai pahawi pe so ba mai panara wana pe tahi samamaka susuni tahi makuitu ai tina tana suka. Ta pa ta kobunid. Narami namisutai. Ta ko kimaika. Eitana oho yamna eitana nuakadoin. Ta ko mai sutai. Great Father in heavens, look down upon us here, all my relatives. Bless them each, their homes, this community, and all those that are leaders of this community, and all those leaders of all of our great nations across this country. You could bless them. Be with all of our people that are here tonight, and as we go through this celebration, you could watch over us and take care of us. When we get ready to sing the last song for this celebration here, and we all go back to our homes, that we could find them in a better place than when we left. We could all make it home safe. No accidents, no sickness, no hurting, no pain. We could go home feeling good with a good feeling in our minds and hearts. You could bless us that way here today. Thank you for another day. Thank you for this drum and all these singers that are going to sing, and they're going to make the people move. Be with us here today. Amen. With that, ladies and gentlemen, if you could still stand and arise here, we have a special song for these colors and also these eagle staffs and our flags and all of our veterans here. You know, it's something nice when we bring these staffs and these colors in. A lot of them, they come from different reservations and different places, and we'll give that description. But this song here refers to these staffs and to these veterans of these great warriors that we have. So with that, we go here to Black Otter for the flag song, and then we'll have a veteran song.
Watch your lights when you go around,
This song, ladies and gentlemen, is equivalent to the national anthem, honoring all of our colors. The United States flag here. One of our relatives, some of my grandfathers, they fought for this flag here. I even knew a great uncle. Mine was 106 years old, fought against this United States flag. Then all of his sons, my brothers, they were all veterans and fought for this flag. That's the respect that we have for it, and all the veterans that we have here today. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we're very appreciative of these colors and these flags. We go right now to the introduction of these gentlemen that are carrying these colors and that has been called upon. Ladies and gentlemen, as I announced earlier, the head veteran here for this 2023 powwow celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Walker Stonefish, United States Marine Corps, Delaware, Potawatomi, Walpole Island First Nations. Also, ladies and gentlemen, carrying in the GTB tribal flag, or no, the tribal flag here, Eagle Staff, the tribal chairman, ladies and gentlemen, David Arroyo. Let's give him a round of applause here. A great leader of the Grand Traverse Band of Ottawa, Chippewa, Chairman. Carrying in the Women Veterans Eagle Staff, Jim Rock. Let's give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Also, Linda Woods, Air Force 62. I believe it says 65 or 68. 66, all right. That was the years that she served the Air Force. We have the Miller Family Eagle Staff, United States Army, ladies and gentlemen, Gerald Lusky, 61 to 64. Let's give him a round of applause. Carrying in the United States flag, we have Dennis Patowski, Army, 23rd Infantry, Vietnam.
We changed that. That's the change, Mike.
Oh, that's the change one. We have Dr. Cheryl Lambert, Navy veteran, Mount Pleasant. Sorry about that, I didn't see the line. All right. We have the POW flag carrying in Neil Honoring, United States Army, retired, Sugar Creek. I think it's, no, Swan Creek, Chippewa, all right.
GTB flag. GTB flag.
Carrying in the GTB, Grand Traverse Band flag, Bill Martel, United States Marines. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Also, our other veterans that are with them. Ladies and gentlemen out there in the audience, is there any veterans? Raise your hand if you're a veteran and you're out there. This song right here is going to be for you. This is the honoring of our veterans. They dance the colors out around to let the people see the great staff, the great flag, which all freedoms come from. A lot of our veterans, we always give them a handshake, or we always welcome them here into the arena. Great warriors that they are, ladies and gentlemen. The veteran song, we go right down here to Black Otter for that beautiful song here. If you are a veteran, you're invited to come and dance along with all of our veterans here as they retire the colors from the arena.
Luck of the draw, stand by right after grand entry.
Here we go. You ready, Jerry? Shake it up.
All right, this is time for our head veteran and also our flag carriers. Our veterans bringing these colors in and out of the arena here this evening.
Men's traditional, you have been chosen for this session's luck of the draw. So 18 and up, men's traditional dancers. Make your way out to the dance arena. And also right after this special, we're gonna do another special. So Medeiros, Rayfield family, stand by. That is going to be the 17 and under all categories special. There will be 3 places, 2 songs. But right now, we are gonna move into our luck of the draw special. And this session is men's traditional 18 and up.
Ezra, Russell. Esme. Esme. Come on, Ezra. Come on, Russell. Get over here, you boys. I saw you guys. Saw you. Come on. Come on, sis. Ezra, right, but try not to do it again, all right?
All right, we're calling our head dancers out here. Our head dancers, come on out here and introduce our head dancers here. I believe it's Lauren Oakes, Joan Smith. All right, come on in. We're going to give them 2 push-ups here to showcase here their style of dancing. They've been chosen here this evening to be our head dancers. So with that, Black Otter, give them 2 push-ups here. Give them a good song here, make them dance here. All right. Our head dancers right here. Take it away whenever you're ready there, Black Otter. Our head dancers here. All right, we're going to go over here to our MC. Take it away there.
Men's traditional, you should be out there. We're going to stick with the hosts for this special. We got our judges. We're good to go. This is our Luck of the Draw men's traditional special. We're gonna ask Black Otter to render the song right now. let's hear it for Shelby Town. Round of applause. Your men's traditional luck of the draw special. So we got some judges. I believe they're gonna pick one each, and we're gonna have them dance one more time. Don't forget, all youth 17 and under, stand by. There is a special for you coming up next. Change up song. They are asking host drum. If you could come shake hands, please, that would be greatly appreciated. Good job, good job. You guys all look magnificent out there. But we're gonna come back to the host drum for a second change-up song. Then we will determine the winners. I've also been informed there are 2 more specials that's gonna take place near the end of the evening. There's going to be a men's, women's, woodland combined, all ages special. That's gonna be $500 for first place, $300 for second, and $200 for third. There will also be a jingle, women's jingle special 18 and up. That will be the same prize amounts, $500, $300, and $200. So those specials will be sponsored by the committee. We're ready to go. Host drum, second song, men's traditional luck of the draw special. Together for Shelby Town. Dancers come line up and face the opposite direction of the MC stand. Judges are going to figure out third, second, and first place right here, right now. And we're normally going to start with third place. Third place is coming right now. There's your third place winner, round of applause. Second place right here. Your head dancer for this evening, Jawan Smith. Third place was Marshall Footmaker. And your champion, Zach, Jackson, and Tom. Round of applause, round of applause.
All right off the bat, there's a little bit of Shonia's here giving away here. A little bit of Mazaska. Why do they say money over here? Shonia. Oh, yeah. All right. I kind of got all my tribes mixed up, but I've been, you know, when I came over here, I was kind of learning a little bit of Anishinaabe Moen, but when I went back home, I started talking my language again, and boy, just kind of, everything just kind of faded out here. But it's good to be back here in this area. I was trying to remember some words, but I better not say them. I might say something X-rated. Yeah. All right.
So we're gonna call the Medeiros Rayfield family up to the front here, and we're gonna ask anyone interested, 17 and under. We're gonna have a special for all categories right now. So our judges, we're gonna ask you guys to come out. Joanne Cook, Liz Osalmic, Wubsy Fox, Paul Surratt, Wubba Medeiros, and Zach Hartliv. So what's gonna happen here is we have 6 judges, and we're gonna ask all dancers 17 and under, all categories. We're gonna have you dance one song. The judges are each gonna pick one, and you will dance a second song. And we'll go to the host for this special. So all Medeiros Rayfield family, come on up. And judges. So all dancers, come on out. 17 and under, all categories. Just a special, I'm also involved. We just kind of wanted to do a special at our hometown powwow to give back to the kids. First place is gonna be $300, second is gonna be $200, and third place will be $100. We are also gonna give the champion a jacket. We just don't have it made yet, but we will get it to you. Just whoever that is, we're gonna get your information and ship that out to whatever size you need. So first place, $300 plus a jacket. So judges, they're discussing a few things, but once you're done, spread out and we'll get ready to go. I know these guys don't care because they're so excited to fire up these lights in the arena. So we got a couple awesome specials at the end of the evening that we should be pretty well lit up. It looks like we're ready to go. So we're gonna go one song first, and we're gonna pick 6 finalists, and then we'll have another song. So we're ready. So host drum Black Otter, anytime you are ready, please. Contest song for all youth 17 and under. of applause, round of applause. So dancers, just hold your spot. The judges will come out and grab our 6 finalists. And we'll bring them up to the front here. And once they're chosen, we'll have you guys all come and shake hands. So if you get tapped, nudged, you have been chosen.
If you get tapped, you are the chosen one. What, did anybody get tapped? All right, we got 1 here, 2 coming. There's another one right there. All right, how many are we gonna have here? 6 chosen dancers here.
A lot of dancers want to say miigwech to all of you for coming out for this special moment for the families. We're ready. If you guys could all line up and shake hands real quick, we'll go into a second song.
I got it.
Well, one more round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We have our 6 finalists. They're gonna dance one more song, Singer's Choice, and then we will determine our champion, second place, and third place. You guys all did great. Following this special, we're gonna go into a round of intertribals. I believe we're going to be judging singing. Yep. So the first round will be judged, drums, and then we'll go right into our senior women categories following the intertribals.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you got to read the flyer, the publication out on the powwow, there is a drum contest that is taking place here this weekend. And these 3 drums that came over here, they're all in the money, I believe. They're singing for $10,000, I believe. Is it 10,000?
10,000. 8,000 for
10,000.
second and 6,000 for third. So.
Holy smokes, man. You're going to hear some good singing here. $10,000 worth of singing right here this weekend. 2-day singing.
And there's a drum split.
You know, I know that some of the powwow people know about the what they call the drum split, or else it's the there's a boss at the drum group. He's called the lead singer, and then there's also the drum boss, and then there's also the keeper of the sticks, and then also there's one called the maintenance. Now the maintenance is the guy that takes the drum and sets it up and makes sure you got a good clean area and takes everything. The drum boss, he takes care of the drum, makes sure it's heated up, got the perfect sound in it, and it's gonna sound real good when you thump that drum. It's gonna have a good lively sound. And then also you'll have the drum boss. He's the guy that hands out the money. And then he's got some rules too. He says, well, I brought the drum so I get another, I guess it'd be kind of like another cut. That's what they call a drum cut. So the drum boss, he gets a drum cut, or else if you don't make a drum roll call, sometimes you lose out on a drum cut. And then, so it's important for all the singers to be at the drum at roll call. Those are given points. So there's different rules and regulations at a drum, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll just kind of tell you about it later on. And then also, if the drum boss, if you ride with him to the powwow, you got to pay gas, more gas than he does. That's the rule. All right. On to-
Yep, here we go. Second song, Black Otter. If you would, please.
What do you say, ladies and gentlemen? Let's put your hands together if you're liking it.
All right, let's hear for Shelby Town. Our second song of the Medeiros Rayfield Special 17 and under. We're down to our 6 finalists. If you could face the opposite direction of the MC stand while the judges try to figure this out. Everybody looks great out there. I would hate to be one of the judges on this one. That's why I chose judges. So they're gonna discuss it, and then we're gonna come with third place. Or do you guys want to see more? I need to hear you. Do you guys want to see more? I can't hear you still. Do you guys want to see more? All right, we'll come back tomorrow.
Marshall Funmaker, if you'd make your way on over here and come see our drum judge here. Marshall Funmaker, make your way on over here. We need to get our drum judges together here.
Third place, they are ready. So we'll send one of you up with the old envelope. Or without it. Third Third place coming around. Oh, here we go. Third place right there. And we're gonna come to our second place just in about 20 seconds. All right. She forgot. Second place right there. Round of applause. And here we go with your champion of the Medeiros Rayfield Youth Special. Mr. Surratt's gonna come around. 5 steps that way, 3 steps this way. And there's your champion, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause, round of applause. Yep, and the rest of you could come around and shake hands too. Miigwech. So just want to say miigwech to all of you, all you judges and all you dancers for participating in this special that the families had.
Can you guys hold up your things real quick?
So singing judges should be making your way over to Snai Creek. We're gonna take care of a round of intertribals. We do have a drum not in the contest, so we'll come to you for one intertribal at the end, Black Elk. But we're gonna go Snai Creek, Southern Straight, Brave Scout for your round of singing, and then end it with Black Elk.
All right, we're calling our singing judges over here to Snai Creek. Singing judges, make your way on over there. And ladies and gentlemen, you're going to hear $10,000 songs here this evening. And then tomorrow, there'll be the presentation of the winners. And you'll find out who won the singing contest and also the dancing contest that's going on, taking place here this weekend. We have a singing contest worth $10,000 here. So, Snai Creek, are we ready to go there? Is all of our judges there? We need one more. Oh. Patrick Concannon. Patrick Concannon, make your way on over here. All right, we got our singing judges. We need one more. Fred doing the singing judge here. All right. All of our singing judges are here.
So we're gonna call you dancers out. Intertribal coming up to you next. Ryan.
All right, calling all the dancers here for an intertribal session here. Snai Creek.
Spot dance, spot dance. We got a $25 donation. Intertribal spot dance happening right now. You do not have to be in the game. Come on out, everybody. spots, ladies and gentlemen. This was a spot dance. That sure was a $10,000 song right there. Good one, Snipe Creek. Woo. Sounds like we got our winner. Good. All right, we're gonna move down to Southern Straight. Just 1 second, let the judges make their way over there. Don't go anywhere. Dancers. We only had one spot dance so far, so nothing else came up yet.
Dig in your pocket.
So senior women stand by after these intertribals. We're gonna come straight to you. As long as the judges are ready, Southern Straight, anytime you are ready. Intertribal, Saturday Night Live right here in Peshawatown, Michigan. Thank you, Southern Straight. Good one, boys. Woo. Saturday Night Live right here. Peshawatown, Michigan. We're gonna move on down the line to Brave Scout for our next intertribal. And we will finish with Black Elk. And go back to the host right after that for Senior Women Traditional. So Senior Women judges stand by. 2 spots on this this intertribal right here. So next intertribal is going to be a spot dance sponsored by our AD right here, Mr. Hawk Thunderhawk. Ready to go, Brave Scout. What you gonna do? Thank you. Hold your spots. Brave Scout for that intertribal. Our last round intertribals, I believe, that will be judged. There's our first winner. And our second winner is coming around. And there's your second winner. We're gonna go to one more intertribal by a visiting drum, Black Elk. And then we're gonna go clear the arena and go into our senior categories. So host drum Black Otter, stand by. So Black Elk, whenever you're ready, intertribal song, please.
Thank you there, Black Elk, for that song there, Intertribals. All right, we're gonna clear the arena. Clear the arena here. We're gonna go into some contests here. We're gonna be starting off with our senior women's fancy shawl. Senior women's fancy shawl, so be making your way on into the arena. Also, we'll be going with the first song on our singing contest drums, and then we'll be going to the second song with the Black Otter. You'll be getting all these songs here tonight, Black Otter, so stick around, stay close to your drum here. I believe we're going to be starting off with Snipe Creek. Oh, women's traditional. Senior women's traditional first. And then it's going to be senior women's jingle and senior women's fancy.
So senior judges, Shaw Thunderhawks, Summer Baldwin, B Stonefish, Brenda Wabanimki, and Kathy Rayfield. Make your way on out. We're going to start at the bottom of the rotation. So Brave Scout, you're going to have the senior women's traditional. And then Southern Straight, you'll have senior women's jingle. And the Sny Creek, you'll have Senior Women's Fancy.
Hawk, do you want to change up on the songs? Black Otter, you got to change up on these categories here. You have the change up song here, Black Otter. The senior is 35 to 54. 35 to 54.
We will check IDs too. Just kidding. B Stonefish, you are needed right now. Need an alternate. So first song, Brave Scout, change up, host drum, Black Otter. Just waiting for the signal here. We got singing contest going on. And we got dance contest going on. We're ready to go. Brave Scout, song number 1, Senior Women's Traditional. All right, round of applause for our Senior Women's Traditional, song number 1. Give them a short break, breather real quick before we go to song number 2 with our host drum. So senior women's jingle, stand by. Southern Straight, stand by. Ready to go. Song number 2, Black Otter. Round of applause. Your senior women's traditional second song. Come line up, please, right by Mr. Hawk Thunderhawk. Senior women's jingle. Come on out into the arena. And then there was light. Hawk.
on, lady. Thank you.
All right, so senior women's jingle should be out there. We're gonna go to Southern Straight for their contest song. Judges are over there.
All right. I think this arena here is the first time they had lights here. And Colt Rayfield put these lights together. Let's give him a round of applause there. Yeah, he used all his algebra and mathematical techniques to put it all together. Masterminded the whole thing. Yeah.
All right, we're ready to go. Southern Straight, song number 1, senior women's jingle. Put your hands together for Shelby Town for your senior women's jingle. Give them a break or two, and we're gonna come back to our host drum for our second song. Senior women's fancy stand by. Snide Creek stand by. We're ready to go. Second song, Black Otter. right, put your fly bands together, ladies and gentlemen. Senior women's jingle. Come line up, please. Senior women's fancy, make your way on out. Sny Creek will be coming to you for the first song. And Host Drum, second song. And then we're gonna go back to Black Elk for our senior men traditional. One song for these women's fancy seniors. So one song, that's all we will need.
These women fancy show dancers are going to be tied all weekend. So every dance that you dance, it's a tiebreaker.
When are we gonna find out the winners? Oh.
So Black Elk will be coming to you next for our senior men's tradition.
After any tribal. Judges ready?
We're ready to go. Sny Creek, senior women's fancy show. Senior women's 50, come line up, please.
This is a Saturday night tiebreaker right here. Tomorrow will be a Sunday tiebreaker.
So senior men traditional, pick your way out right now. Black Elk will be coming to you for song number 1. Host Drum Black Otter,
What'd he say?
song number 2.
What'd he say?
I see a few of them already, so. Shaco Hall, Aaron Chivas, J.D. Gibson, or Shenanigans? J.D. Gibson. Those are some of the judges. We must have the other two. So senior men's traditional, you should be out there. 35 to 54. Junior adult standby. We'll be coming to you right after seniors. So how we doing, Peshabi Town? You guys still alive out there or what? All right, yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying your time. If you're just here visiting, enjoying the vibes, enjoying the food. We're gonna enjoy the lights here. I know that's why we're delaying, because we just want to see how good these lights actually work. I'm excited. Just waiting for the sign. Oh wait, he ran off somewhere. Oh, there he goes. We're ready to go. Black Elk song number 1, senior men's traditional. Traditional. Give him a few moments here. We're gonna go to our host drum for a change-up Black Otter coming to us all the way from Alberta, Canada. Don't forget about the specials that have been added. Will be coming to near the end of this evening. A men's women's combined woodland special and a jingle 18 and up special. So dancers, keep that in mind. The woodland special will be all ages, men's and women's combined. Jingle will be 18 plus. We're ready to go. Song number 2, Black Otter, senior men's traditional. Let's hear Peshabi Town Senior Men's Traditional. Come line up, come line up. Next, we're gonna call out our Senior Men Grass. Make your way on out. We're gonna go back down to Brave Scout for song number 1. And then back to the host drum for song number 2, Southern Straight. You will have, wait, just hold on. Not sure if we got any fancy dancers, so. But Senior Men's Grass, 35 to 54, you should be out there right now. Brave Scout is brewing up a song.
Where's my other judge, bro?
All right, we said we got one senior men's fancy. One senior men's fancy.
We're ready to go. Brave Scout, song number 1, Senior Men's Grass. All right, round of applause for Shelby Town. Senior men's grass. We're gonna go with one song. So dancers, come line up. And we did have word there is one senior men's fancy. So make your way on out. Not sure if we're gonna go 2 push-ups or 4, 6. Wow. So after this, before we get into the junior adults, we're gonna do a couple exhibitions to excuse you guys. People's been coming up and asking, so we'll get you guys out of here. So that senior men's fancy, come on out right now.
Is this song? Where is that senior men's fancy? Senior men's fancy, where is he? Come on in.
2 push-ups or 4, Hawk? 2. So Southern Straight, stand by. My apologies, just went blank. So we got one senior men's fancy. We're gonna give them 2 push-ups by Southern Straight. 4 push-ups, hey, just kidding. 6, he says. Now we appreciate you for being here with us. Just like the drums, you're in the money too. Give them a good one though, Southern Straight. 2 times through. We're ready to go. Senior men's fancy, Southern Straight. Juniors and teens, stand by. And all the crowd said, go Bruce! Come on! Let's get a round of applause, crowd here. Bruce, where's your number?
144.
He said number 1, he said.
Juniors and teens, we're gonna call you out right now for an exhibition.
Come on out, girls.
Hawk. Snide Creek, stand by. We're gonna exhibition our juniors and teens, and then you will be excused. And then we're gonna come right into our junior categories. Junior women's traditional, stand by. What race? Oh. No idea. It's not on the flyer.
Next year we're gonna put the scooter race on. All right.
Juniors and teens, Snide Creek, whenever you're ready. Exhibition song, please. Junior women's traditional, stand by. So all juniors and teens, boys and girls, Snide Creek. Let's hear it for our juniors and teens. You guys are all excused. Thank you, Snide Creek, for that song. And we've been informed that Golden Age, you guys are excused as well. And we're gonna go straight into our junior categories. Junior women judges, stand by.
Junior adults 18 to 34. We're going to start off here with the women's traditional. Women's traditional. Come on into the arena. Women's traditional. Is our judges ready? Me. Is our judges ready? I believe our judges are they all here? All Okay, where do we go?
Women traditional.
Brave Scout, you have this song here. Women's traditional. Junior
No.
adult women's traditional. 18
Black
to
Elk.
34.
Black Elk.
Black Elk. All right, we'll go down here to Black Elk. Take it away, Black Elk. You got the contest song here. Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for our women's traditional. Thank you there, Black Elk, for that song. Calling in our women's jingle. Women's jingle. Come on, make yourself in this arena here. Come on in, women's jingle. We'll be coming down here to Brave Scout, I believe.
You want 2 songs?
Oh, 2 songs. Oh, I forgot there, Black Otter. 2 songs, ladies. We come over here to Black Otter for the second song. Be standing by women's jingle. Women's jingle, be standing by. All right, whenever you're ready there, Black Otter, let's give them that good contest song there. Hey-ya. What do you say, ladies and gentlemen? Let's put our hands together for our women's traditional. Good sight, good foot slide there, boys. Good one. Bruce thought he was at Crow Fair. Junior Adult Women's Jingle, come on into the arena. Junior Adult Women's Jingle, come on in. We'll be coming over here to Brave Scout, I believe, for the first song. And then we'll come back to our host for the second song. Hawk, are these other categories excused after they dance? All right, other categories. If you contested tonight, you're excused after your contest unless you want to enter tribal later on. Also, those specials, remember those specials? The men and women's woodland special, I believe. And then also the Jingle 18 and up. You have a special here this evening. So be standing by. Women's Jingle 18 and up. There's a special here later on tonight, so hang around if you want to get into that special. All right, whenever you're ready there, Brave Scout, let's give these women jinglers a good song here. our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the first song there, Junior Adult Women's Jingle. Also, it was brought to our attention here by one of the powwow committees, said ask them little kids not to be swinging on the light poles there, or don't be climbing up on them. I said, no, that can't be our little Indian kids. That's got to be the Chamukamons. They're the ones that do that. All right, we're going to come back over here to Black Otter for the second song, and then we'll judge them up here. Ready to go, Hawk? All right, we'll go down here to Black Otter, our host drum. Take it away. For the Junior Women's Jingle here. Come on and line up, ladies. Come on over here and line up. Make sure we can see your numbers there. Thank you there, Black Otter, for that good song there. Calling in our Junior Adult Women's Fancy Shaw. Come on in. Come on into the arena. We'll be going on over here to, I believe it's Southern Straight. We'll have the first song. Southern Straight, you'll have the first song, and then we'll come back over here to Black Otter for the second song. You know, I haven't been up here before COVID, the pandemic started up. And did everybody get a shot over here? Pandemic shot, one of those shots, Pfizer and all that? Well, anyway, everybody was scared down in Oklahoma to get that shot, and no, not too many of them got it, you know. Everybody was saying it had little microchips in there, and they were just kind of wanting to get everybody a microchip inside their body. But down there, they were saying, no, if you get that shot, you're gonna, it's gonna attract you to Facebook. And then you'll be in the Facebook wars. Hey. Oh, howdy. All right, we got our women's fancy shawl into the arena. All right, they're all there ready to go. Here we go down to Southern Straight. Southern Straight, take it away. Let's put our hands together for the first song there of our junior adult women's fancy shawl. Good dancing there. Thank you there. Southern Straight for that song here. We're going to go right on over here to Black Otter as soon as we get the signal here. Are we all ready there, Hawk? All right, they're having a drink of water here. You know, when I used to dance, I used to want somebody to bring me a cigar or a cigarette. So I'd take a couple of puffs there, and then I'd get back into it. I'd get my wind back. All right, whenever you're ready there, Black Otter, take it away there. hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for our junior women's adult fancy show. Man, some good dancing there. Thank you there, Black Otter. All right, we're gonna go on into our junior adult men's. We're gonna start off with traditional. Junior adult men's traditional. Come on into the arena. I believe we've come over here to Snide Creek for the first song. And then Black Otter, you have the second song there. All right, we're gonna come on over here to junior adult men's traditional. How many we got in there? We got we should have about 4 or 5 of them in there. Junior adult men's traditional. Come on into the arena, boys. Let us see you there. These kind of lights used to have a gazebo over there in Oklahoma. We'd stand under lights like this and listen to that good old country and western music and two-step all night, boy. Howdy. Ooh-cha. I think that over there by the Traverse City, that's where Colt got these lights over there, that one. Harbor Freight. All right. All right, are we ready to go here as all of our dancers in? One more call here for junior adult men's traditional. Come on into the arena. Where's that hawk at? He keeps running in the back and getting a cheeseburger and coming out and chewing. And where's he at? I think we're looking for judges over there. Okay, you ready to hop? All right, here we go. We're gonna go down here to Snide Creek. You got the contest song there. Take it away. Together here for the first song, Junior Men's Traditional. We got some fans way up there in the hills. All right. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? How do you like it? Let's hear your voices. Scream! All right, that's what we like to hear. All right, whenever we get the high sign, we go right on over here to our host drum, Black Otter. Take it away. Junior Adult Men's Traditional. Good show, boys, good show. All right, calling our Junior Adult Men's Grass. Come on into the arena, Junior Adult Men's Grass. All right, Colt, all these bugs, they showed up. There they are, boys. Gonna taste good inside of a cheeseburger. I believe we've come to Black Elk for the first song. We're going to start over with Black Elk, and then we'll come back up here to Black Otter. Junior Adult Men's Grass, come on in. You know, I brought some, all the way from Oklahoma, I brought some flies up here. I wanted them to match up with these Michigan flies and see what it comes up with. It kind of just bug the hell out of you sometimes. Boy, them flies. All right, we're going to go over here to Blackout. Take it away. let's put our hands together for our junior men's grass dance here. First song, we're going to be coming over here to Black Otter. Also be standing by, I believe we're going to come to Southern Straight for the men's fancy, I believe. So be standing by, boys. After we judge the grass dancers here, we'll be calling the junior adult men's fancy.
And men's, women's woodland standby as well. We're gonna go right into that special right after our junior categories. Junior adult, sorry.
All right, we're all ready to go here. We're gonna go with the second song. We go over here to our host drum, Black Otter. Take it away, boys. Give them a gut one. Together, ladies and gentlemen, junior adult men's grass dancers. Thank you there, Black Otter. We're going to be calling our fancy dancers. Come on into the arena here. And that will complete our contest in all of our senior adults and junior adults. Also be standing by if you're getting in the men and women's woodland. And then there's another contest of the women's jingle, 18 years and up. So be standing by. We'll be coming to those right here as soon as we get through with all of our junior adult contests.
One dancer. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, we have our fancy dancer in the arena here. We're going to go to Southern Straight. Give him that good fancy dance song there. Southern Straight, take it away. Cheer him on, put your hands together. show, good show. There's your champion right there. Ah, boy, howdy. Everybody was bragging on me one time. I danced like that. I was the only dancer. Next day, a Chamukamung guy showed up. Dang, we got in a tie. Ah, all right. We're gonna call in our woodland dancers. Woodland dancers, come on in. Turn it back over here to Mike here. These bugs are kind of bugging us here.
All right, so yeah, men's, women's, woodland, all ages, come on out into the arena. This is one of the last minute specials the committee was able to put out for you guys. We're gonna ask the host drum to stand by, along with Sny Creek stand by for this special. And immediately following this special, we're gonna go into our Jingle 18 and Up special, sponsored by the old committee here. It looks like there were some dancers that weren't enough dancers in each category. So it seems like they were able to pull a couple specials out. Do we got our judges? We got our judges? We're gonna rotate between Sny Creek and the hosts. We're gonna start with Black Otter. So song number 1. All right. Yep, so all woodland, men's, women's, all ages, you should be out there. And it sounds like the judges are gonna pick one after this first song, and we'll do another song with Sny Creek. Are we ready? We're ready to go. Host drum, Black Otter. Woodland song, please. One more time, let's hear it for Shabby Town for song number 1.
Other places.
All ages, men's, women's, Woodland. So at this time, stay in place. The judges are going to make their way out and pick the top finalists. I'm not sure how many. 5. 5 top finalists. There's one, sounds like. Snide Creek, stand by, please. Number 2. 3. 4. One more. All right, and our 5th and final finalist. So come on over, pound up, shake up. I want to appreciate you guys for coming out. So we're going to ask for one more song, I believe. Snide Creek, all the way from Walpole Island. We ready to go? Hold on. So jinglers, 18 and up, stand by. We're coming to you next. And there's the finger. We're ready to go. Snide Creek, song number 2. Woodland Special. Round of applause. Song number 2 for our all-age combined Woodland Special, sponsored by your powwow committee right here. So line up, face the opposite direction of the MC stand. How many places we got? 3? Oh yeah. So first place is $500, second place is $300, and third place is $200. Fifth?
Fifth place, yeah.
Consolation or fifth? That's fifth place?
Yeah, go back there. The table back there. Oh, I was like, what's that noise? Fourth.
Fourth? Oh, Judy Robinson, our fifth place winner. Here's fourth place. He was our head dancer earlier, Mayengan Surratt. We're into the final 3. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Take some side bets up here at the MC stand. Just kidding. Third place coming to you in about 10 seconds. Third place, Annalene Zapata, all the way from Fulton, Michigan. We're down to 2. Second place coming up. That will determine our champion as well. Second place right here. Round of applause. And that would leave your champion right there, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for this young man. I believe it's Owanape. No. Delabur, yeah.
You guys got your,
Francis Delabur, your champion. I believe he also won the special earlier, so.
how many places are you doing here? 5?
At this time, we're gonna call out the Jingle Dress Dancers 18 and up, and we're gonna call out the judges as well. So Jingle 18 and up, come on out into the arena. Judges, come on up and see the committee. The host drum standby. Black Otter. So I believe the same is going to happen with this special one song. Judges are going to pick one and second song.
Is that a drone? I thought that was an alien looking at us. Hey,
Area 51.
he's getting ready to smudge up here.
We're ready to go. Host drum, song number 1, Black Otter. of applause. What a beautiful sight and sound that was. So there's a lot of views. One song?
Two more, one more.
One more song? Are we staying with the hosts or are we?
It's up to you. It's up to you.
Committee?
Hold strong.
Host drum. That solves everything. Host drum. So song number 2. So we're gonna go, we'll probably have at least another third song, I'm sure.
I love the white answer.
After this one, we will pick 5.
Yeah.
So one more song, we'll give them another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're ready to go. Song number 2. Women's Jingle 18 and Up Special. Black Otter, whenever you're ready. Put your hands together for Shabby Town. Song number 2. Stay in your spots. You can just hang out. The judges are gonna come around. We're gonna pick our top 5 finalists right now. There's one.
Line up right here.
If you were chosen, come on over near the MC stand. 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more time, round of applause. There's your finalists. Come on over, shake your pound up. So we're gonna have one more song to determine our first, second, and third. So we'll give them a short breather. And host drum, stand by one more time. The rest of you drums, Sny Creek, Southern Straight, Brave Scout, Black Elk, you are all excused. Drum roll call. 12:45 tomorrow, 12:45. We're ready to go. Third and hopefully final song, Black Otter. Women's 18 and up, Jingo. He said, sing a cruiser. Last round of applause for our women's 18 and up jingle. So line up, face the opposite direction, please. Judges are gonna mingle around. I'm not sure if we're going with fifth on down or fifth on down. All right. Number 5, fifth. Here we go with 5th place. I know it's tough. I know it's tough.
Do the 5th place.
Yeah.
They're arguing.
I can't figure it out. We'll figure it out tomorrow. Just kidding. 5th place. Here we go. Either now or never. All right. She ain't scared. Let's go. Number 5, right there. Round of applause. 5th place. Meguan Smith. 4th place. Just go backwards, judges. Just kidding. All right, here we go. 4th place. Right there. All right, all right. I know she's a delirium, but forgot her first name. Third,
What's your name?
Juniper. She ran for Miss Potawatomi, and I was MC there too, so I remember her. Uh-huh. 3rd place? Can you guys decide, or do we gotta do another one? Just kidding. All right, here we go. Number 3, right there, Riley Dealman. Round of applause, round of applause. Here we go with 2nd place, right there. All right, number 2. That means our champion is right there. All right, one last round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. But that covers it all for the evening. So, grand entry tomorrow, 1 p.m.
Look over here, girls.
Drum roll call, 12:45. Please be mindful and pick up your areas if you don't mind. With that being said, I'm gonna sign off. We'll see you in the morning. Don't forget that breakfast, 7 to 11 at Connie Trucco's house. All right, from the AD, he wants to say, Miigwech, thank you to all the judges, all the singers that helped him out this evening. So, other than that, signing off till tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good night. Behave, be safe, don't do anything Ryan